They don't require decorating. In fact, there's little upkeep required at all. But that's not the only reason why investing in a parking lot in Hong Kong might be a good idea. A serious shortage of space has the market racing away, and like property here, is becoming out of the reach for many.
The rental prices are going up. Actually, people know if they sell, it'll be difficult to buy back.
Edmund Lau is branch manager of a real estate agency in Sai Ying Pun district. Parking spaces in this area are among the most sought after. One lot at this residential block went for more than $650,000 in June, making it the world's most expensive.
Of course, people want to find a space that's close to where they live, but when it comes to investing, they will look for things like a wider space. Then you can park a bigger car, and it's more convenient, and whether it's easy to drive in the car park. That's another thing investors will take into account.
And while Hong Kong's government has been scrambling to cool the residential market, higher stamp duties and mortgage restrictions don't apply to parking lots. One study by brokerage firm Mizuho Securities found prices at 3 popular housing estates rose an average 167% in the last 6 years. That's compared to a 52% increase in the price of an apartment in those blocks. The question is whether authorities need to introduce measures to put this market into reverse.
I think there should be regulation requiring like a minimum capacity should put inside underneath the residential units in Hong Kong. The curbing measures, it said probably they would work marginally or work a bit, but the key is still to increase the supply. But obviously, it takes time.
For now, though, the situation doesn't look like it's going to change much. Once you break down the numbers, it's actually easy to see where the problem is. In the last decades, the number of cars on the road in Hong Kong increased by 48%. The number of private parking spaces, though, rose by just 9%. And with studies showing there's still steady demand for private cars, the market isn't likely to hit the brakes yet. Patrick Falk, TRT World, Hong Kong.